Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Rental Car Scammer Trying to Steal Luxury Vehicle.
On February 3rd, 2023, a Hertz employee spots a customer trying to rent a car with a fake ID and calls it in.
So the driver's license is coming up in our system.
Say it again?
The driver's license she's presenting is showing that would be fraudulent in our system, which is what we've been seeing. She just made the reservation. When I asked for a second form, she had to go get it from her brother's car, because she's trying to leave. So we've been seeing a lot of people fraudulently obtaining driver's license.
It's the one right here.
Yes, yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, stop. Ma'am, you need to stop. Ma'am, just need to talk to you. Just stop for a second. Just stop for a second, all right? Okay. We're just here to talk to you. All good. All right? Okay. So, come with me. All right? All good. We're just going to talk to you.
Which one?
They said the ID was fake. Somebody gave me ID.
For proceeding purposes, we were unable to copy what he said.
They asked me to give them a run on their name.
Okay.
And they was like, they gave me their ID. So I did it. I didn't know I was going to get in trouble for it, like real bad in trouble for it.
So you used somebody else's ID? Okay. Do you know who it was that you used the ID of?
I don't know their name. I know the person who gave me the ID.
Okay. So you got it from somebody you know?
Yeah.
Okay. Were you trying to rent it from?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Do you, they took the ID from you?
Yeah, the people up there got it.
How come you're not using your ID?
I don't have a license.
You don't have a license?
Nope.
Okay. You know you can't have a car without a license.
No, I'm sorry.
Okay. Well,
Are you alone or are you with somebody?
I was in the Uber.
You Ubered it here? Where's your ID right now?
In my purse.
I'm gonna have you put your hands on your. Thank you. No, you're good. You can put your hands down. I just didn't want them in the pocket.
So I'm cold.
I know it's cold, but we just gotta keep your hands out, okay?
Okay, why don't we
I'm going to
go
jail.
to our office where it's warmer, hey?
We'll go talk to you.
And we
We'll go
can
to this.
figure out what's going
We'll
on.
go watch your stuff. We'll talk to you, all right?
What kind of car are you going to get?
First, hold on, hold on.
What do you do with your hands?
I was on my way to work. The boy actually really didn't grab him.
Okay.
He actually looked me and so I was not.
I'm going to answer.
Somebody else asked you to do it?
Yeah.
Where do you work?
I'm helping hands.
Okay.
This is my first day on the job.
Of course. Here, I'll tell you what. No, hold on your first.
This airport, Hertz, or Hertz as a company or whatever, they must be getting hit a lot, because a video just came out probably about a month ago, maybe a few weeks ago, went viral, where the guy, it looks like the same spot. It literally looks like the same place. They got hit with a Hertz again. This looked like the same. I'm gonna look it up. You think I'm joking? I'm gonna look it up. This we just did a video similar to this. Hertz, they getting hit left and right. This is ridiculous. I don't know what type of what systems they have in place, but we just did a video on this on my main channel. I gotta find it. Literally, this is so fresh. Let me look real quick, man, because I could have sworn we just did something very similar to this. And this one, not my video, but the video itself went viral. Because the guy took off running. Let me see. Oh, there we go. Right here. Here we go. We just did this on my channel. look, we just did this. When did this come out? March 14th. So we're at April 6th, almost a month ago. This video. If you go on the main channel, because this will be posted on ShyGotEm too. So if you go on the main channel, you'll see man rents car, scam fails miserably. And I'm not going to show you my version, but like, look, tell me this place doesn't look familiar. Tell me this spot don't look at this. This look like that same goddamn airport.
License? Why would I bring a fake license to the profile that you're using? Are you saying I'm bringing a fake license?
On February 11th, 2024.
Look, and it's from Watch Cop Cam. So it's the same. This is probably the same place. Same place. Look, same title, everything. It's just one is a man, one is a woman. See, but the guy one went crazy, you know, because she not gonna take off running, and I'm sure nothing really interesting really gonna happen. But let's wait and see. But this is the same spot.
I'm wearing gloves. Okay. You got anything in your purse or your just that you need to worry about? Anything?
They gotta get
No, just my charger, my card.
People keep hitting that spot because it's going through. Now, don't get me wrong. Occasionally, they're catching some, you know, so their security is getting a little bit better. But for people to keep hitting that spot, there's something that's going through that same location.
All right. Just don't reach in your pockets. It's all good. No, it's okay. Don't reach in your pockets. Keep your hands out. All right. Let's do it quick. Oh, that's good one. That's a nice purse. Too quick. So you just started in helping hands? Yeah? Okay.
Still looking for hands till before 13.
Girl, shut the fuck up, bitch.
Maybe get a copy of the rental with me. Really?
Yeah. That's what we're going to do at Helping Hands. We're your new position.
I don't want to do it.
Well, did you commit a crime?
Is that a crime?
Okay. Where is your real ID in this?
Somewhere in there.
What name will we find when we're looking?
Jasmine Santiago.
All right.
What was the name on the license that you gave?
I don't know, maybe.
You know? Okay. So your friend gave you... It's not your friend's ID though either? Okay.
I should have looked.
And then what about who rented the car?
It's in the fake name.
It's in the name on the ID?
Yeah.
All right. But you didn't, you rented it? Or somebody just told you to go pick it up?
Yeah, I'm sorry, that's my weed. I was supposed to go get my hair in my
So is it just laying loose in here, or is it in a purse, or what?
Like the side pockets over here? Okay. Here's the weed.
So you guys rented it? Somebody rented it though, right?
And you said your friend... What's your friend's name? What is it? Brandon Gibson. And he said he rented the car? He paid for it ahead of time? Okay, you didn't have to present a credit card or anything?
All right, copy. I'm wondering if the credit card that they rented it with was also fake, or that went through.
You said you just got hired at Helping Hands today?
Yeah, well, no, I got hired like last week, but I started today.
Oh, today's your first day at Helping Hands? So it's like in-home care?
So what I'm thinking is she's the pickup person, right? All right, ma'am, I want to ask you about Brandon. Do you have a phone number for Brandon?
No, I barely know him.
So
I just met him a couple days ago.
he's a friend of yours that asked you to pick up a car, provided you with an ID, but you barely know him. Okay? And you don't have a phone number for him?
No.
Where were you supposed to take the car? If you're renting it for Brandon?
I was never told that. I was just gonna, she'd drop it off, and I was just gonna park it outside my mama's house and go to work. I'm not gonna lie.
So you were going to park the car outside of your mom's?
Yes, I just said that.
Well, like you have trouble seeing, I have trouble hearing. So please bear with me, I'm a little older.
I'm just trying to hurry up and go down to the jail. I know. I don't want to talk no more. I'm not gonna lie. This stress is gonna make me have another stroke.
Well, we don't want you to have any kind of stroke. We don't want you to be under stress. However, we are trying to...
Okay, that's all I know. That's all I can tell you. I don't know nothing else.
She was charged with theft of movable property and misappropriation of identity information to obtain money. She was convicted on both counts. Drop your comments below and...
Yeah. It's just... yeah. I like what y'all did, though. Watch Cop Can try to run it back. You know what I'm saying? Get another viral joint, because that other one went crazy. Because pretty much what they doing is they using CPNs. You know what I'm saying? They getting CPNs and finding, you know, Hertz accounts and this and that and building the thing. Like, yeah. You know, that's why that joint keep getting hit. But, you know, if we're just being honest, you know, we're just talking about the body cam footage in general. The other one was a lot more entertaining just because the guy took off running and they had to get him together and everything. This girl, she's a little on the hefty side. So she really didn't, I guess she was power walking. I mean, you know, yeah, I guess she was power walking. But it don't hit the same as the other one, but I do like, you know, I do like that Watch Cop Can try to run it back with a new joint, just the female version, you know, yeah, the female version. So anyway, yeah, that's Hertz. They getting a little bit better. At least they starting to catch it a little bit more. But there's a reason they keep hitting that spot, because it must be shaking, boy. They're going through. I ain't gonna lie, they going through because they keep hitting that spot. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.